students at the American University in Iraq, Sulaimani, and today we're going to tell you the 5 top reasons for you to study here at Auis.
1.
We've got small classes, and all our classes at Auis are taught in English by amazing professors and lecturers who come from 19 different countries from around the world.
2.
The vibe or joke at Auis is really amazing. There's always something going on, like events, workshops, activities, and many more.
3.
Auis has so many opportunities for students to join clubs, participate in competitions, and meet experts from all around the world.
4.
The liberal arts education at Auis means you'll have the chance to take classes and explore different subjects in addition to your major.
5.
Auis alumni are in demand. 85% of our graduates go to grad school or work at places like Facebook, the UN, Weatherford, Google, Ernst & Young, and Auis itself.
Tell us in the comment section if you want to know anything more about Auis. And if you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family. And make sure to follow us on our social medias.
Want to study at the Auis? Contact our admissions office. Details are in the description of this video.
The liberal arts... The liberal art...
Okay, try again. 3.
Well done!